Dear viewers, Assalamu Alaikum. Today I will show you the basic program of Stoll M1 Plus software. Open the software and create a new page. Enter a pattern name here. Select the machine model and gauge. Type the needle and COS. Select other options you need. After selecting all the options, click on Generate Design Pattern. To customize the rib, right-click the mouse. Select Edit Module, then open a new window. Delete the RS and extra finishing COS. Add whatever rib COS you want. Adjust your stitch and take down. Go to Net View, draw a design, and copy and paste it into the entire pattern. After finishing the panel, you need to add finishing carrier. We will use a module for finishing. Add carrier color and stitching table here. Now we will set up the young carrier. We will also use the plating carrier for the ribbing area. If the transfer is separated, then go to the configuration and turn off the transfer separation. Now it will be done. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. And click on the bell icon to get new videos and stay with me by liking the video. Share the video to get new videos. Thanks for watching, stay happy and love everyone.